Hi guys, how are you all? Today I'm going to make Teachers Day card. So it's a very beautiful opening card. You can open it and it has a smiley emoji. You can see it opens like this and it smiles as well. Make for your teachers and give them surprise. So you need a yellow paper. You will cut a circle with it. आपने एक येलो पेज लेके उसको सर्कल शेप में कट किया, फिर एक ऑरेंज मार्कर लेके उससे आउटलाइन दे दी. And then I will make some smiley face with the help of black marker and some cheeks, rosy cheeks. So now I will make a pencil. You will need a blue paper. I'm drawing some pencil patterns with the help of black marker, and later on I'll cut it, and then I'll cut it in from the middle as well. So let's draw some pencil pattern on the blue paper. You just take small piece of blue paper and draw pencil pattern on it like this with the help of marker. So now you will need a skin color paper for making the tip of the pencil, and you will also give it a black color to the starting point of the pencil. So now I'll use the UHU glue to attach this skin color piece, and now I'll cut it in the shape of the pencil tip. You can see I'm cutting it like this, and later on I'll give it a pencil tip with the help of black marker. You can see I'm coloring with the black marker, so it will give a pencil look already. So now I'm making eraser with the help of pink paper. Okay, I'll give it an eraser round shape look, and I'll cut it with the help of scissors. So I'm also telling you the things I used in this cute project. So I made a cute eraser. You can see now I'll use the glue, paper glue, to attach it, to glue it. So here is your cute pencil ready, and you will also make the outlines wider. For making it a little bit more stronger and erect, I'll use one more layer of paper for this pencil, for this cute pencil, and then I'll join it. Now let's cut it, because this is a card, so it should be little erect and stronger. So let's cut it. So now let's cut the pencil from the middle, because this is the card and it will open. And you will also need a strip with the black paper, black chart paper, and you will cut a strip like this, and you will need a scale to fold it like this. First you will fold the upside with the scale like this, because this will be opening of your card, and later on you will fold two more sides inside of this paper. You can see I'm using scale, fold inside like this, and another left side the same way you will fold it. So this will become the opening of your beautiful card. So you can see this opens and this closes like this. Okay, now I will attach the cute paper pencil with it. You will need UHU paper glue. For that, let's attach it. You can see I am applying the glue, and let's attach the pencil with it. And you can cut the extra black chart paper later, so that it will give a neat and finishing look. Now attach the pencil. Now you will cut the extra part of the black chart paper from the back side of this pencil, and you can also clean the surface of the pencil and eraser. And later on I'll attach and I'll cut the extra black chart paper like this. Now you can see it is giving a very cute look, and it opens and closes like this. Now let's attach the face of the smiley emoji which you made, and now write down Happy Teachers Day and decorate it with some pink hearts, and let's paste it inside this beautiful card. Let's paste it properly. Make sure it's sticky glue and it helps you to open and close the card very nicely. So now I'm going to make the cute hands of the smiley emoji. You will need a yellow chart paper and you will make it double and then cut two hands like this and paste them with the help of glue. You can see I'm pasting and your card is almost ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and share and subscribe the channel. Bye.